Along the same vein, Darren Andrews is here from PAI Medical Group. You as well been there when it comes to hair loss. Let's keep it on the theme of looking good and feeling better. So how's your New Year shaping up?
It's doing great.
Good.
Doing great. Yourself?
Yeah, pretty good.
Good.
You got another VIP to talk about.
Yeah, Kevin Freeman's back. 7, 8 months.
Award-winning.
Award-winning.
We can talk about that. Yeah,
so,
exactly.
yeah, we've got a nice little video to watch here shortly talking about his crown area and the artistry that we use to transplant his crown. And he's now 7 or 8 months post-transplant now, so well, he's doing great.
That video is like 4 months in, right?
Correct, yeah, just 4 months in.
Well, let's take a look at that.
Yep. This is a great example of the artistry that our physicians have and the advantage of multi-unit hair grafting. We transplanted right through the top of the scalp. You can see how natural this hair looks and the way that it sits. See how these little fine hairs are everywhere? They are new hairs that don't have any colour or coarseness to them yet. So that's totally normal at this stage. It looks really, really nice, so can't wait to see final result 12 months in.
And here he is, Kevin Freeman, 8 months along.
Yeah.
Hey, first of all, congratulations on the CMA award.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
That's terrific. So, you could have just been happy with that. Just walk around with that trophy, but
I could have been. I could have been, but I'm much happier now.
Well, what made you make this decision?
Well, there are a lot of things. One, I noticed, especially in the summertime, getting sunburnt top of my head.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to wear my hair a little different style. I couldn't. You know, I needed to keep it short. Longer the hair, the more you saw the bald spots. So when I first met with Darren, he was like, "We can fix this problem."
Well, and he got out in front, and you got out in front of it, right? It looked like he wasn't too far along. That made the procedure a little bit easier.
Yeah, it's part of that global approach. So obviously, with the transplant, we can put back what you've lost. But if you have some there initially, then we can do things to save that as well. So you combine the two things.
Right.
Keep what you've got, put back what you've lost. Here's your long-term approach, and he's doing great. You know, he's got another 4 months of growth to go, and he's really he's on target. So he's doing really well.
Were you skeptical at all, or you knew enough about other radio people?
I knew some of the radio people that did it. I knew the results, seen them in person. This is pretty impressive. But no, I really wasn't. After meeting with Darren and his staff, I felt pretty much at home. And it's funny too. People will come to me now, and I think my hair is more famous than I am. People come to me, and initially they whispered, "Hey, I want to talk to you about your hair." Okay. And I'm like, "Hey, I'm talking about it on the radio. It's okay."
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
I'll use my radio voice if you'd like.
And now everybody just comes up and says, "Hey, bend over. I want to see what the hair looks like." So I'm fine with that too. I think it's great.
Are you going to do the Don Stuck thing and go with it?
Only Don Stuck can do Don Stuck. It only should be allowed that Don Stuck does it.
Don Stuck.
But again, it's not like you did the one-time procedure and then it's a handshake and he's off and he's on his way. No. It's the post-procedural care that's a big part of it.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's like if you go to the gym and you lose weight, like we were just talking about, there's still maintenance.
Sure.
It's like brushing your teeth. So the transplant here is permanent, but again, moving forward, we're going to keep educating him on things he can do to maintain what's not transplanted. The thing with Kevin that's unique to everybody that comes in is everyone's different. So we're individualizing and tailoring what we're doing. A lot of people think we can't do crown areas. You know, use the artistry and do that swirl pattern in the crown. It looks natural.
And now you have another family member that's now convinced?
My sister is now a patient of theirs. And this is something that she's always wanted to do. And then when I started doing it, it was kind of like put her over the edge. She's like, I'm so doing it now. And she's very satisfied. Now, her procedure is totally different than mine.
Yeah, I was going to say, are they gender specific?
Yeah, that's like ladies have different types of hair loss patterns. So that's more the laser hair therapy and the plasma.
No, this is not your sister.
This is one of the clients, one of the ladies that went through the same thing that his sister's going through from a treatment point of view. We did low-level laser light therapy and platelet-rich plasma, utilizing your own platelets, which helps to stimulate follicles that are still producing hair.
It really maximizes the results, right?
Right, yep. So it's a hair loss maintenance program, and it was very successful with her, and Kevin's sister's doing great as well. So right on track there too.
And it's a comfortable environment, right? It doesn't seem very clinical.
Yeah, no, not at all. And Darren does a nice job of managing expectations. I knew exactly what I'd be at 6 months, 8 months, a year from now. You know, so I'm right on target.
Yeah,
that's fantastic. Great. You're the most of all the radio VIPs that I've talked to. You're the most soft-spoken.
Oh, am I really? Okay.
Well,
compared to JMV,
yeah, or oh gosh, you know when Gunner's in the zip code.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, well, congratulations.
Should I work on that? Talk a little louder?
No, love it. It's quite soothing. I appreciate it. We grow hair, INDY.com. We have the link on INDYStyle.tv. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
On the award and the hair. Good to see you as always.
Good to see you. Thank you.
All right, Amber.